Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Morphe Midnight Dune palette. Now they came out with 3 new palettes in this collection. There was like a pink version of this and like a big pink palette. I've got all of them on the way. This one's just arrived already. The other 2 I'm very excited to use, but this one I am so excited for. This is what the palette looks like. I've actually not had one of these £9 palettes from Morphe in a little while. And then this is what the inside looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to do some swatches and then the tutorial. But I cannot wait to get into this palette. It does remind me of the Colourpop £9. However, it feels a little bit different to them as well. The Colourpop ones are a little bit thicker. These are actually quite thin, which is nice. This shade did come smashed, but blame Hermes because they thought they'll put the bag on my doorknob. So when my brother got the door, it fell off the door, and this one sadly didn't make it, but I squished it back in, so it's fine. So let's do some swatches. Okay, so here are the swatches. It swatched beautifully. It wasn't too hard to swatch. It swatched really nicely. This matte black actually has some shimmers in it, and even when I've swatched the pattern, you can actually still see shimmer in there. Sometimes when you swatch palettes and there's shimmer in the matte, you can't see it once you've swatched it, but there's still plenty of shimmer to go around in that black, so I'm pretty excited to use that. I feel like I love a good cool smoky eye, so let's just do that. Let's start off with this shade in the center right here. Very dusty too, but that's fine. It's not the shade I expected it to be, but it's actually nice. Let's go for this middle shade now. Okay, this is looking nice. I had to go with a bigger brush and just blend it out. Now I'm thinking, I think we should just go in with the black. That is what is calling my name right now. Oh my god, it's starting to rain. It proper is autumn, isn't it? Well, it's time to put that shattered shade to the test. So let's see how that does on my lid. Oh, it's a bit crumbly, so got to be careful. Okay, that is a gorgeous shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges now and then do some base, and I've got some cream blushes to actually try on camera for you guys because I haven't actually tried them yet for you, so I am very excited for that. Okay, so this is what the Morphe blushes look like. I've chosen the shade Mighty Mauve, which just looks like this. I think it's a gorgeous shade. And these, I can't say it enough, but I feel like they're dupes for the Rare Beauty Melting Blushes. I have all of them. Maybe I should do like a dupes video. But yeah, I've done a TikTok. That should come soon. I'm not sure when that's up. If it's up, it'll be linked down below. But yeah, let's put it on. That is a gorgeous colour. See how they just melt into the skin? I love it. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then we'll come back for lips because I have a Morphe lip kit to use. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. We are going to use a Morphe lip kit right now because I have this one. It was the nude one. You've got the Trendsetter lip liner, you've got the lipstick in Boo, and you've got the lip gloss in Chill. I'm not sure if I'll put this lip gloss over or another one. Let's put it on because I love this combo. This is what the full look is like. Now we need to just go back in this palette and put a brow bone and a inner corner highlight, and we're gonna have to go for the icy shade, which isn't me, but you know, we try different things, don't we? Alright, that is it. This is the finished look. I am in love with this palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is something I will reach for time and time again. The lip kit is gorgeous. The blush is lovely. So yeah, let me know what you think down below and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.